Guys, watch my cat.
She's chasing her tail.
This cat is like really
Dumb. Like,
Hey! You wanna fight? Stinky cat. You wanna go? I got the croc, fool. I got a croc. That's what I thought. Silly cat. And there's a penny. Stinky baby. Anyway. Y'all, do you know when you... Anyway, I got cars down here. I got Walmart truck. I got all these. I like to collect these cars. What else was I gonna show y'all?
I forgot.
And I can't pause the recording, so I just kind of have to walk. And I don't know how to edit any of this out, so I'm just gonna keep talking. Oh yeah! I got a monitor finally! I was using this piece of garbage. And then I got a monitor. And a controller.
And it works really well.
It works really good. It's my mouse. I'm special. Oh shoot. Y'all can't see my password. Okay, but this all my games. Not really. Okay. Thank you. We got... I use my mouse. Enlisted, Steam, which I get most of my games off of. BeamNG. Rogue Company. Not Lethal Company, Rogue. World of Tanks, Halo Infinite, Warface, Warframe, Roblox, Gorilla Tag, stuff like that. TF2. I don't play a lot of these. I don't really play CSGO a lot. And it's now and it doesn't work. A bunch of these are from my other Steam account, but it permanently kicked me out. So, I don't even know why, but it did. Base. I always close my door so my cat can't go in my room and steal my Legos. She got spoiled my Legos. I have proof of it too. I threw her tire in here. It's my Lego tire. Lego tire. Oh, and the Orient Express. Don't ask why it's broke. I don't even know. No. Oh, French horn. I know it doesn't look like it, but trust me, it is. Because why would I lie about playing a French horn when you see me play flugelhorn and mellowhorn? Ah! Okay.
Okay, that's all.